So hello friends, this is Ayush and you're watching Knowledge Booster. So friends, today in this video we are going to learn all about exponents or powers. So let's get started. So the repeated addition can be written in a short form named as product form. Here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 can be written in a short form 3 multiplied by 4 called product form. Similarly, the repeated multiplication of a number can be written in a short form called exponential form. So here 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 can be written as short form as 3 raised to the power 4 called the exponential form. So here 3 raised to the power 4, in 3 raised to the power 4, 3 is the base and 4 is the exponent, or we can say as power. So let's move to the next topic. So now we will learn about laws of exponents. So we will start with multiplying numbers with same base. So if I write a number as a raised to the power 2 and a raised to the power 3. So here in these two exponents, base are same but exponents are not. So what we will do, we will simply add both the powers. So here the powers are 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So a raised to the power 5 is the answer. So let me explain you with some numbers. So if I take a number 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4. So here in these two exponents the powers are 3 and 4. So we will add 3 and 4. So it will be 2 raised to the power 7. So let's move to the next laws of exponents. So now we will learn about dividing powers with same base. So let me take some numbers like b raised to the power 2 3 divided by b raised to the power 4. So here the base are same but the exponents are not. So what we will do, we will simply subtract both the powers with each other. So here the powers are 3 and 4. So we will subtract 3 and 4. So it will be b raised to the power 1. So let me explain you with some number. So if I take a number like 3 raised to the power 8 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. So here in these two exponents base are same but the powers are not. So we will simply subtract both the powers with each other. So here 3 raised to the power 8 subtracted by 4. So it will be 3 raised to the power 4. So friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and tap the bell icon for my latest video. Thank you.